Hello friends, today we are going to see how to create interactive charts with the usage of form control buttons. So for inserting form control buttons, we need to use the developers tab, which we cannot see on the screen over here. So to add developers tab, right click on any of the menus and select customize the ribbon. Over here select the option of developer and click OK. Now you can see the developers tab is available here, and by selecting developers tab, let's insert a combo box. So a combo box is a drop down list that we can create. So over here I've inserted my combo box. Now since you see there is no data in there, so to put in data, use the format control. In input range, we are going to select this name of the ratios, and in cell link, which is going to show us the number in which this particular margin name appears, we are going to select cell A8. Now in drop down line, since we have only 3 lines, we are going to put in 3 and OK. So let's check if it works or not. Yeah, so as you can see over here, by selecting gross margin we get 1, operating margin 2 and pre-tax 3. So let's create a chart which compares the margins for General Electric and industry average. So let's first add name of the companies. Now over here I'm using cell reference, so in future if I put data of any other company, I do not have to do anything to change the name over here. The same we are going to do with industry average. Now to get the data of gross margins around over here, and with changes with the usage of our form control button, we are going to use a function called offset. So for reference we are going to select this. By how many rows does it need to change? We are going to select cell A8 and we are going to freeze it, so later we can drag it. By number of columns, how many columns do you need to change it? Since we require the data in this column only, we are going to press 0, close the bracket, and as you can see you get the exact data for gross margin. Now we can drag it. So we are going to use the same function for getting industry average as well. Reference 2002 rows, we are going to once again select cell A8 and freeze it. For columns 0, close the bracket, enter. We got the data, and now we are going to drag it. So let's create a line chart for this data. So this is our line chart, and now you can, as you can see, it changes as we changes the data in the combo box or in the drop down list. Let me give you another example. So over here you can see there are 2 columns. First contains date and second contains sales. Now the sales amount has been given in the K. I'll show you later why it has been hidden right now. So for the usage of form control buttons, let's add a scroll bar. Since we have successfully added, let's once again use the format control. Over here as you can see, the data is about dates, and it is the data for 1 month only. We are going to put in value, maximum value as 1, and cell link we are going to select this particular cells C24. press OK, and now let's see if it works or not. Yes, it does work. So over here I've used the complex functions, if function, which ensures that if this number is greater than this number or not. Now if it is equal to this number or greater than this number, then only we are going to be able to see this data. But if this number is less than the date number, then we are not going to be able to see the sales figure, and we are going to see NF. Since as you can see, it is 0 over here and date is 1, we are not able to see the data. Let's increase it to 1, and now we can see the data, and we are going to apply the same to the whole table. Now let's see if our scroll bar works or not. Yeah, so as you can see, the data changes. Now what can we do to see the figures only and not the NA? So for this we are going to use conditional formatting. So let's go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and create a new rule. Over here we are going to use a formula to determine which cell to format, and we are going to use function as NA and select the cell link as B2, and in format we are going to select the color as white. So as you can see, we are not able to see the words with whatever is there in that box. Now let's speak OK, and as you can see, we are able to see the sales figure only and not NA, and as we increase, the number starts to appear. So now let's create a line chart for this data. Insert chart, and yeah, we are going to put it a bit up over here, and let's increase the size. Now as you can see, as you are going to use this up or down arrow in the scroll bar, the chart is going to change according to date. Now to give it a more better look, just like dashboard, we can make some changes in the view by getting rid of grid lines, headings and formula bar, and now you can see, how our interactive chart works. So thank you guys.